got to, I got kids, I need the bank. I need it all. I've been getting paid, I've been eating good.
Do you love fried chicken more than me? And if you do, I challenge you to a fried chicken eating contest. Time and place, buddy. Time and place.
Fried chicken eating contest? Oh, it's on.
I've been getting paid, I've been eating good, I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7.
Time to start training.
Fried chicken eating contest. Time and place, buddy. Time and place.
Time to put him in his place. This is so good.
Come back down.
He's going down.
Time and place, buddy. Time and place. Chicken more than me. And if you do, I challenge you to a fried chicken eating contest. Time and place, buddy. Time and place. Damn.
Game on.